check it out. The top layer of the street is missing. Just kidding. The street is undergoing a process called milling and paving. So milling is when they come by with a big machine that kind of eats up the top layer of the street, maybe 2 to 3 inches usually. And paving is when they come back and put back a fresh layer of asphalt to smooth everything out. So this is part of a typical process called pavement preservation, because roads are made up of a lot of layers of different types of asphalt. On the bottom you have coarse aggregates, so rocks that are bigger in size, and on the top you have smaller aggregates which provide for a smooth driving surface. Now over time, that top surface being driven over by thousands of cars every day is going to wear away, it's going to crack, it's going to allow water to get in, that creates potholes and kind of a rough riding surface. Now if water keeps getting in, it's going to destroy those underlying pavement layers as well, and that can really get down into the base material and compromise the road, which means instead of just milling and paving, you have to replace the whole road, which is a lot more expensive. But if you take a proactive approach and mill and pave just that top layer every so often, you can preserve the pavement underneath. So we can see here, the road's gotten milled up, and aside from the teeth marks from the milling machine, the pavement is in decent condition because that top layer has been replaced every now and then to protect the layers under it. So this road is milled, it's going to get paved pretty soon. That new top layer of asphalt will be a much smoother ride and help protect the pavement underneath for many more years to come, so that it doesn't have to be fully replaced someday.